मेरा दिल यार का दीवाना
பாட்டு பாடவா பாட்டு பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா
நெஞ்சினிலே நெஞ்சினிலே ஊஞ்சலே நாணங்கள் என் கண்ணிலே
All my ladies.
Hello everyone,
வணக்கம், எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? என் பேர் ஸ்ரீராம்.
and I'm Shanti.
நாங்க இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை படைக்க போறோம். உங்களுக்காக முதல் முறையாக பாசரஸ் பொங்கல் GRC IIEC நடத்தும் இணைய வழி பரவசமான தீபாவளி கொண்டாட்டம்.
Give them a round of applause.
நமக்காக நிறைய இளையர்கள் மற்றும் பெரியவங்க பல சுவாரஸ்யமான நிகழ்ச்சிகளை படைக்க இருக்காங்க. மேலும் ஒரு கஹூட் கேமும் இருக்கு. அதோட அருமையான பரிசுகள் லக்கி டிரால காத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கு.
That's right, Sriram. Now we have an array of exciting events lined up for you today. We are extremely excited that despite the current situation, we are still able to come together to celebrate Deepavali as a community. Now we have been quick to adapt and ride on the affordances of technology to bring you the colorful performances today. Now besides some of our guest performances, the rest of the performances are done by our very own resident volunteers. Now cheers to all of them. They've put many hours of work into this. Besides all this, the show is also injected with interactive game segments like Kahoot. So do get ready to log into Kahoot later with a PIN code that would be provided.
I would need you to have your device ready, either your handphone or your iPad or your laptop. You need to have a device ready because we will have to get online onto our website, which I will address and show you later on, and I will lead you into it, okay? And there you also stand a chance to win prizes. So the 5 top winners for Kahoot, you will be able to win prizes. Now, Kahoot is not just about getting the answers right, it is also about the fastest finger. So gather all your family members together when it comes to that game segment. They could actually help you with the answers, okay? Now, that's not all. You got to stay tuned all the way till the end of the event today. And what is waiting for us at the end of the event, Sri Ram?
The lucky draw.
Yes, that's right. There is a lucky draw. And if you are feeling very lucky today, and if you are lucky today, you stand a chance to win a prize. So there are 10 lucky winners at the lucky draw segment today. Now, listen to the instructions when we get into that segment. When we draw out the strips of names eventually for the lucky draw, I'll be reading out the name that you have registered yourself with, your division, and the last 4 digits of your handphone number. Okay? So you got to hear that carefully. It will be your name, the division, as well as the last 4 digits of your handphone number. And these winners, you then can make your way to your CC, not today, right? Okay, at another convenient time. Make your way to your respective CCs to collect and claim your prizes. Okay, I think I'm done with most of the instruction part of what we need to do at this point in time. I'm excited to see how all these recorded performance, this is unlike the usual years, right? We are used to getting together at the CC and we sit together at the round tables and we watch real live performances. Right now, it is a very different feeling for Sriram and myself as well because we're only looking at the camera. I'm not too sure. I can't really feel you or look at you. So the least you can do for us to make us feel excited about the whole event is give us the likes, give us the hearts. Okay, so we do know that you're appreciating things that we are doing here and that we are touching some hearts as well as we are doing this. Okay? All right. So without further ado,
சரி, நம்ம பிரகாசமா இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை ஆரம்பிப்போமா?
சரி, ஆரம்பிப்போம். All right, let's kickstart this event.
தீபாவளி வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकं लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमं नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम् सरि 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 सारि ममनि ममनि सरि मरि सानि ममरि सरि 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 सारि ममनि ममनि सरि मरि सानि ममरि प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकं लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम् सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमं नवमं बालचन्द्रं दशमं तु विनायकं नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम् खण्डं तटति तधिङ्गिण्णत्तुं वक्रतुण्डं विनायकं भिन्नतुं धिङ्गिण्णतुं तधिङ्गिण्णतुं तं गणपतिं पार्वती सुतं लम्बोदरं गणेश्वरं तां तकिटकिण्डतिं धिन्नतकिण्डतुं तु धुनुतकिण्डनं तधिन्नितकिण्डनायकं विनायकं सिद्धिविनायकं तकिण्डतधिङ्गिण्णतुं सिद्धिबुद्धिप्रिय लम्बोदर तधिङ्गिण्णतुं 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 विनायकम् एकदन्तं तद्धिङ्गरिगिरतुं तगधिङ्गरिगिरतुं तगधिङ्गरिगिरतुं रक्तवस्त्रधारिणं तद्धिङ्गरिगिरतुं तगधिङ्गरिगिरतुं तगधिङ्गरिगिरतुं प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकं लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराज
என்ன ஒரு அருமையான நடனம். ரோஷினி ரொம்ப நல்லா ஆடினீங்க. அதோட திரு சஞ்சய் சாந்தாராம் இந்த நடனத்தை ரொம்ப அருமையா வடிவமைச்சிருக்காரு.
Before we move on to the next segment, I would like to mention a few people here. Gracing us on online events are our grassroots advisors of Pasir Ris Punggol grassroots organizations. And they are Mr. Teo Chee Hean, Senior Minister and Coordinating Minister for National Security, Dr. Janil Putticherry, Senior Minister of State, Ministry of Health and Ministry of Communications and Information, Mr. Desmond Tan, Minister of State, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Sustainability and the Environment, Mr. Sharil Taha and Ms. Yao Wan Ling. Thank you, advisors, and we shall now hear Mr. Teo Chee Hean's message.
Grassroots leaders, residents of Pasir Ris and Punggol, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening to all of you. I'm very happy that all the Indian executive committees of our Pasir Ris Punggol community have come together to organize this virtual Deepavali celebration. Deepavali is a special time when our Indian friends come together to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. I'm very happy that we are demonstrating the same spirit today by using technology to overcome the restrictions brought about by COVID-19 so that we can continue to celebrate the Festival of Lights together. Over the past few months, we have seen members of our Pasir Ris Punggol community step up to help and take care of one another, delivering food to the elderly, sewing masks for our young children, helping with job placement through our own GRC's Project Success, and helping our hawkers and stall holders go digital. We have stood together and supported one another. Although there's still much work to be done and watchfulness and vigilance so that we can overcome COVID-19 as a nation, I'm proud that we have already seen some success by working together to overcome the virus. Our celebrations online today are also enable us to invite people from all races and religions. This will help promote neighborliness, understanding and social harmony among friends from all communities in our Pasir Ris Punggol. We are fortunate in Singapore to enjoy peace and harmony in our multiracial and multi-religious society. This is possible only because Singaporeans respect, understand and appreciate cultures, beliefs and practices of different races and religions. We must continue to embrace our multicultural heritage and diversity and ensure that Singapore remains a strong and cohesive society with a large common space. Finally, I thank all the IAECs for organizing this meaningful virtual celebration, and I wish everyone a very happy Deepavali. Thank you.
அமைச்சர் டியோவுடைய உரைக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. அடுத்து வருவது மெரிடியன் தொடக்கப்பள்ளியை சேர்ந்த நடராஜன் சுபன்யஸ்ரீ மற்றும் தனசேகர் ஸ்ரீனித்ரா. அதற்கு பிறகு செந்தில் குமார் சிவானி ஸ்ரீ நமக்காக வெறும் நடனம் இல்ல, பரதநாட்டியம் ஆட போறாங்க.
பஞ்சத்தில்
ta jum nam ta rum ta dhalam ku tak tak ku da da gida gida ta jum tak jum jum ta takita ta da ta jum gida jum ta tanam ta rum ta takita ta da gida ta tarita ta dhanata ta runata ta dimita ta da jum tanam ta rum tagadim takida gida dim ta tarigida ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam takita dana ta tarigida dim ta tarigida ta jum dim takita jum jum takita jum ta jum takita ta jum tarigida ta dam tarita ta dana tarita ta tarigida ta dhanata ta jum tarita dana ta tarigida ta jum dim da ta jum nam da takita jum ta dim tum nam ta tarigida ta di ta dhanata ta tarigida dhanata ta dhanata ta dim ta tarita ta dhanata ta di ta dhanata dana ta tarigida ta dim tarigida ta dim tarigida ta dim tarigida ta dim tarigida ta jum tarigida ta tarigida.
So give us some positivity, some thumbs up, some hearts, some likes, some positive comments. You can still go in and say Happy Deepavali to each other. We can still cheer each other up. Right, Sri Ram?
Definitely.
We want to feel cheered. We want to feel cheered up, right? So let's cheer one each another, okay? So let's look up for this. How many of you are going to go in there right now to put that Happy Deepavali, all right? Sri Ram, Happy Deepavali, my dear.
Happy Diwali to you too.
Thank you. All right, that's the spirit. Let's keep this high and happy, right? How many of you like old Tamil songs? Old Tamil songs. What comes to your mind? I'm sure many of you have your favorites. Let me ask this young chap whether he knows any old Tamil songs. Do you know any?
I know many, but maybe we'll come back to the program.
Okay, he knows many old songs. Let's see. We are going to have an old number here by our very talented volunteer from Pasiri CC IAEC Karaoke Interest Group. Do you know we have an interest group? Karaoke interest group. Yes. So if you do like singing, come join us during those sessions, okay? And the singer is none other than Mr. Vijayan with the song title Paattu Paadava Paattu Kesava. Oh, I don't know the words. Okay, never mind. Let's hear him out. He is the expert. Mr. Vijayan.
பாட்டு பாடவா பாட்டு பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பாலிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காலை அல்லவா பாட்டு பாடவா பாட்டு பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா மேக வண்ணம் போல மின்னும் ஆடையினாலே மலை மேனி எல்லாம் மூடுதம்மா நாணத்தினாலே மேக வண்ணம் போல மின்னும் ஆடையினாலே மலை மேனி எல்லாம் மூடுதம்மா நாணத்தினாலே பக்கமாக வந்த பின்னும் வெட்கமாகுமா இங்கே பார்வையோடு பார்வை சேர கூடு வேண்டுமா பக்கமாக வந்த பின்னும் வெட்கமாகுமா இங்கே பார்வையோடு பார்வை சேர கூடு வேண்டுமா மாலை அல்லவா நல்ல நேரம் அல்லவா இன்னும் வானம் பார்த்த பூமி போல வாழலாகுமா பாட்டு பாடவா பாட்டு பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பால் நிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா பாட்டு பாடவா பாட்டு பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா அங்கமெல்லாம் தங்கமான மங்கையை போலே நதி அண்ணன் நடை போடுதம்மா பூமியின் மேலே. அங்கமெல்லாம் தங்கமான மங்கையை போலே நதி அண்ணன் நடை போடுதம்மா பூமியின் மேலே. கண்ணிறைந்த காதலனை காணவில்லையா, இந்த காதலுக்கு தேனிலவில் ஆசை இல்லையா? கண்ணிறைந்த காதலனை காணவில்லையா, இந்த காதலுக்கு தேனிலவில் ஆசை இல்லையா? காதல் தோன்றுமா, இன்னும் காலம் போகுமா, இல்லை காத்து காத்து நின்றதுதான் மீதமாகுமா? பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா, பால் நிலாவை போட வந்த பாவை அல்லவா, நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா? பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா.
Really enjoyed the nostalgia brought on by Mr. Vijayan singing. Thank you, Mr. Vijayan. Did you enjoy the song?
நிச்சயமா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு.
Did you know the song?
Okay,
I'm sure you do, right? It's an evergreen song. I'm sure some of us would have heard it before. So thank you very much for that song. And also I want to thank you all for all the likes that's coming in and all the positive greetings that's coming in. We are really very appreciative of that. And with that, we shall now hear Mr. Sharil Taha's message for us.
Vanakkam. Deepavali is a festival of lights. And according to Hindu beliefs, it celebrates the victory of good over evil. 2020 has been a challenging year for all of us, and I do hope this festival of lights continue to bring sparkles of joy, peace and contentment for you and your family. Happy Deepavali to all our Hindu friends and happy holidays to all our residents. Nandri.
அடுத்ததாக சிலம்பாட்டம் செய்ய வருகிறார் மோகன் மணிகண்டன். இவர் சிலம்பாட்டத்தை 6 வயதிலிருந்தே கற்க தொடங்கினாரு. மேலும் நிறைய மேடைகளிலும் பள்ளிகளிலும் தனது சிலம்பாட்டத்தை படைச்சிருக்காரு. அவர் சிலம்ப சுத்துறத பார்க்க நான் ரொம்ப ஆவலா இருக்கேன். நீங்க இருக்கீங்களா?
Silambam, a weapon-based Indian martial art. It is one of the oldest self-defense techniques. Do you know that? That was news to me as I started reading up a bit more about Silambam. It is meant to provide a foundation for fighting and is a preparatory body conditioning practice. So let's, without further ado, get ready to watch this unique performance.
சாந்து பொட்டு ஒரு சந்தன பொட்டு, சாந்து பொட்டு ஒரு சந்தன பொட்டு எடுத்து வச்சுக்க மாவா, பூ முடிச்சு ஒரு சேலைய கட்டு, இனி நீ வெட்டிய கட்டிக்கலாமா, சொல்லி அடிப்பேன் ஜல்லி காளையை போல் துள்ளி குதிப்பேன் ஒரு பம்பரமா சுத்தி அடிப்பேன் உங்க பாட்டனுக்கும் கத்து கொடுப்பேன் சாந்து போட்டு ஒரு சந்தன போட்டு எடுத்து வச்சுக்க மாமா பூ முடிச்சு ஒரு சேலைய கட்டு இனி நீ வேட்டிய கட்டிக்கலாமா
ஒப்பா இவர் சிலம்பாட்டத்தை பார்த்ததிலே இவர் சிலம்பத்துல ரொம்ப கை தேர்ந்தவர்னு தெரியுது. சரி, அடுத்து நீங்க மிகையாக எதிர்பார்த்து கொண்டிருக்கும் கஹூட் கேம் அங்கம்.
Yes, this is what we've been waiting for, the interactive segment of today's event, which is the Kahoot game. Okay, so I hope it's coming up on the screen. Get your device ready. Log into this website. Okay, everybody, let's log into this website together. It's www.kahoot, KAHOOT.IT. Not .com, please. It's .it. You can actually see the address on the screen at the moment. Is up there, www.kahoot.it. Now, once you're in there, it's going to ask you for a game pin. And the game pin is up there on the screen as well. So I'm going to read it out to you as well. It's 110783. 110783. Now, once you're done with keying the pin, it's going to ask you for a name you have registered yourself with. All right, so key in the name that you've registered yourself with so that we can identify you if you happen to be the top winner. Right, you know you have 5 top winners for this segment, right? And we will read out the names towards the end of this whole thing. So keep coming in. I'm looking at the screen right now. Excuse me if I'm not looking at you, because there are some names coming in. I see Raji, I see Sudha, I see Nitya, I see Ram. Is somebody's name Happy Diwali? You might want to rename yourself, because if you are the winner, we will not be able to identify you. And this is really something going to do quick, because there is limited entry to this. Okay, so keep your names coming in. I see Sai. I hope Sai, this is how you registered your name here. I see Kishore, Chandran, Vandana. All right, good. A lot of name coming in. Sri Raghu, is it? Isha, Nat, Sudha, Samir, Shuganti, Lakshmi. Why? Raymond. Okay, a lot of this question is going to be about Deepavali and also some general knowledge questions. So I think regardless of whether are we the one who's actually celebrating the Deepavali at home, it doesn't matter. I think all of us can participate regardless, right? And bring your family members together, because it is also about being very quick. You may know the answer, but if you take a while to think, somebody else is going to beat you to this, all right? So be quick about it. Get some of your young ones, school-going children, all together around you right now, all right? And start throwing in all the likes as well if you're excited by Kahoot, okay? Let's see. What is the number like? We have like about 40 plus participants. I think we might want to give this a few more seconds, and we are going to start. Now, once we start, I'm sorry you may not be able to join us, but enjoy. And look at the questions. The questions are going to be on the screen. The question will not be reflected on your device. The question will be on the screen. And on your device, you will see 4 options in different colors. You'll see a red, you'll see a blue, you'll see a green. I think it's a mustard orange. It's in between. There's always an argument about what that color is. You'll see that color too. So choose one of those options as your answer. Okay? So for those who are familiar with the game, that's fantastic. Oh my God, I'm so happy seeing all these numbers coming in. There's just so many of you who are interested.
Thank you so much.
We are feeling excited to see your names come in. Okay, so there's Raj Kumar, there's Saga, there's Prips, there's Kumar. Okay, for those of us who gotten in earlier, let's just give them a few more minutes. There's Lynn, there's Vani, there's Arasi, there's Bindu, there's Hari, there's ZY. I hope you registered your name as ZY. If you're the top winner, I need to be able to identify you, ZY. So yes, we are JL. Why ZY, JL? Okay.
Got short name.
Harry. Okay, I think we are going to call it a wrap soon, all right? At the count of 3. Okay, we didn't coordinate. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Look out for the question, and they're all on the. 3, 2, and quiz starts. First out of 10 questions. Deepavali symbolizes victory of light over good, knowledge over ignorance, Indian New Year, all of the above. What is your answer? It is 20 seconds each. For each question, you are given 20 seconds and the countdown is going on. You can see the number going down in purple.
What would be your answer?
Don't test me here. Okay, and we've got it. So the right answer is knowledge over ignorance. It looks like we've got 2 people getting it right. Okay, let's see. Who are the 2?
We have got Nadia and
Rajkumar. Okay, so Nadia, you are leading. You're leading with, look at your points, 827 points. Rajkumar, you're there close, 648. You see other names there, Raji, Sudharam. Now, this is just 1 out of 10 questions. You have all the chance, okay? So don't give up. Keep trying. Don't know. Make a guess, which is what I would have done, actually. All right, next question, number 2.
During Deepavali, Singapore comes alive with lights. Serangoon Road, streets of Little India, Theka Market,
right,
or Little India Arcade.
What's the difference?
Aren't they all located near Little India?
Are they? Let's see. Oh, so this is a very fine question, you know. You really got to know your stuff here. Okay, 2, 1, and done. And what's the answer? The answer is Streets of Little India. All right, our answer is final, okay? So no dispute over this, because that's all we knew at this point in time. Streets of Little India. So 9 of them seem to have got it right. Hey, a lot of you are not responding yet. Is it too quick for you? You got to really speed up, okay? Nadia, you're still in the lead with 1,372 points.
And now in second place, we have Karthi 8584.
Why? If you do well, why? How to find you, why? VR, is that Dr. VR? Is it this Dr. VR that I know? If you are the one, yay, you are also leading. RSC, are you the RSC that we know? I'm not sure. So you're also leading with 835. Okay, you see your names up there. Let's go on. Question 3. Who celebrates Deepavali? All Indians? Only the Hindus? Hindus, Jains and Sikh? Hindus and Sikh. Who? I think this is a common question. I think we have come across this a couple of times. Hope you get it right. All the best to you people. Countdown is going on. It's really quick. 20 seconds is really quick. So make a choice.
Fastest fingers win.
Yes, exactly. And the right answer is Hindus, Jains and Sikh. And we have about 8 people who got it right. Let's go on and see who is in the lead. Ooh, change on the scoreboard. We have RSC up with 1,382. Nadia, you are following real close. It's still anybody's game at this point in time. Hurry, I don't know where you came from, but you hurried all the way up here already. You've got 1,113 points. Nanbenda, you are 1053. Your price, I don't know. 8584, 980. I'm finding it very funny. Okay, let's go on. Question number 4.
Dash without a police permit is prohibited in Singapore since 1970.
What's that?
Sparklers?
Is it?
Poppers?
Ooh.
Firecrackers?
Maybe.
Or confetti cannon?
What do you think?
Interesting.
But I know the answer. I'm just pretending. I know. Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. Better know. It's education. And the answer is firecrackers. Hey, not bad. 20 of you. This is, I think, the highest at this point in time. 20 of you got this one right. Definitely. Not too bad. Some of you thought it was a confettizer.
And now RSC is still in the lead.
RSC.
But now Nadia has dropped down into 5th place.
Women power. There's RSC. There's VR. After that is Nanbenda. Ninga Amble, Pomble. I don't know. Pille, Vaisanavanga. I don't know. And happy Deepavali to you. Your prize will be my prize because I don't know who you are. And Nadia, keep trying. You must get back there, okay?
You can get back.
Okay, next question. 5th question out of 10. Colorful decorations on the floor are made using flour and water. What are they called? Come on, this one you should know. Rangoli, henna, calamari, or paisley. Which one is that?
Instant answers.
Quick. This one, I think many of us should get it right? Okay, so quick. No thinking. No need to think too long.
Fastest fingers win.
Okay, and it's ending. Whoa. That's right. So we have 34 people saying that it's Rangoli. Is that right? And who is at the top?
Nanbenda is in second place and RC is still in first place.
Yes.
I feel a connection with Nanbenda, honestly. He's my Nanbenda. He's my
I spotted
Nanbenda.
Nanbenda first, so Nanbenda prize is my prize. Nanbenda, please, you must reveal yourself later on, okay? So, sorry, we need to know who you are. So, RC is leading. Nanbenda, Ahana. That's a nice name. You are coming up. Very good. Dr. Via. Supya. I hope I pronounced the name right, okay? So,
And sadly, Nadia, I don't see her name.
oh yeah, Nadia, come. Where did she go?
She
Keep
was in
trying.
first
Yes,
place.
exactly.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Still anybody's game. Okay, let's go on to the next one. 6th question out of the 10.
Dash traces the history of the Indian and South Asian communities in the South Asia region. National Museum of Singapore, the Indian Heritage Center,
Asian Civilization Museum or the Singapore Art Museum. Which one of this? This sounds a little bit tough. I don't know how many of you managed to catch this during this Deepavali period, okay? So if you've been watching the news and all that, we would have known this. So let's see. How much do we know?
Wow!
Woohoo! The Indian Heritage Center.
and 28 people have got it right. Okay, moving on. Nanbenda is on fire. He is in first place. He is my Nanbenda. He is my
I feel
Nanbenda.
very worried when I see this name going up and up, Nanbenda.
And now Ahana is in second place, Harisi in third place, Supaya in fourth place, and a new name.
Batmavati! Happy to see another name on the board. Oh God, so you do know how the game is going. So it's anybody's game up to now, okay? So keep going. Alright, let's slow pace. Next question. Question 7. Alright, annually Vasantam features the Dash Countdown concert to celebrate the start of Deepavali. This name never changes, I hope. So is Vasanta Deepavali or is it Paravasamana Deepavali? Does that word sound familiar to you? Amar Kalam Deepavali, Inba Deepavali. Which one of this is your answer? Lock it in. 3, 2, and 1. And what's the answer? Amar Kala Deepavali. We hear it, right? Every year. Okay, so who is at the top of the board? Is there a change?
Oh,
Supaya.
Nanbenda. He
Supaya
goes
is at the top.
down.
Followed by Nanbenda, Hari, Ahana, and Arasi. Alright, so I'm trying to go at a slower pace. But you still have only 20 seconds to answer each question. Okay? Alright, next question. 8 out of 10.
Community on Colors was the theme given to the annual countdown concert, Rangoli art installation exhibition, Deepavali light up, or Community Deepavali celebration 2020. This is an interesting one.
Yes, so if you have been, up and about, visiting places during Deepavali, you would have heard of this. So what is the answer? It's the Rangoli Art Installation Exhibit. I hope a lot of us managed to catch this. So we've got 4 people who have got this answer. So this question proves to be one of the difficult questions. That's okay. Let's see who are the 4 who managed to get this. Is there a change? Oh, Hari! Good for you! You got this right. So 3,407 points to you.
My heart is
Supaya,
breaking
Nanbenda,
down.
Ahana, Arasi. He has a favorite already. And you know what? We don't have phases to this name. And you already have a favorite. Alright, never mind. Let's go on. Legend. 9 out of 10. Why is kolam drawn using rice flour? To add vibrancy to the environment, rice flour stays longer on the wet floor. Easier to manage rice flour compared to the other. And an art of charity as it provides food for ants and birds. Counting down. 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
and the answer is... Okay, I want to talk a little bit about it. An art of charity as it provides food for the ants and birds. So when I was young, I know my mom always does all this kolam. We call it kolam because it's dotted at home. It's not the rangoli where you see beautiful, colorful pictures. She just used rice flour, which is white, and she draws this beautiful dotted pattern on the floor. And what I learned is that's the first thing she does in the morning because it's kind of an act of kindness to feed the ants and the small creatures that live beyond your home. So that's something that I'm very proud of, and I still do it at Deepavali. It doesn't look as nice as what she does, but I still do it. Okay, so stop the blab and let's see who won.
Okay.
Hurry, you're still leading. Nanbenda, you're still
He's
going
back
strong.
in second place.
You're still going strong, Nanbenda. Supya, Arasi, Padmavati. Okay, this name seems to be a bit constant right now, and we are at the end already. Next question is the
Last question. An oil bath on Deepavali is believed to be equal to taking a bath in the sacred Ganga river, cleaning your inner soul, conducting prayers, taking a bath in the sea? Which is the answer? Have you ever thought about
Cleansing
this?
your inner self, is that what it is? Is it taking a bath in the sea? Which one of this is the answer? Oil bath. The answer is taking a bath in the sacred Ganges river. It's supposed to be as purifying as dipping yourself into that sacred river. Okay, that's what it symbolizes. And it's a common practice in many Hindu homes on Deepavali Day. I do that too. Okay, so what's the answer? Oh, sorry, we've got the answer. Who's the winner? Oh,
Okay.
drum roll.
On third
Three.
place, we have
Napenda! Yarani. Arasi in second place.
And in first place, we have Honey!
Congratulations. There are two names that appear, Supaya and Geethrat. Is it Geethrat? Okay, we will look at the names later and I'll read out to you all the 5 names. We have someone taking down all the 5 names. I'll read it to you in a while. Okay, so thank you so much. Congratulations to all the winners. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. If you did, continuously give us the hearts, continuously give us a like. Please put in some positive comments, encourage us a bit more. Would you like some more interactive games like that? I know you may have thought of some answers that might be a little bit different from what we thought it is. It's okay. It is still in the name of, fun and the happy spirit of celebrating. Okay, so let's be kind to one another and let us now hear the address by Miss Yo Wan Ling.
Vanakkam. Good evening, residents. I'm very happy to join all of you tonight at this celebration. This year's Deepavali is like no others that we have done before in the past. Unfortunately, because of the COVID-19 situation, we're not able to meet you face to face, to get together in a Deepavali celebration. However, like the meaning behind Deepavali, the lamps lit in your homes would shed much light and turn away the darkness. I hope that our combined efforts as one nation allow us to emerge from the dark days and become more resilient and stronger. I hope everybody, all of us, will have a very safe and happy Deepavali celebration with all our loved ones. Please continue to be vigilant and safe as we continue with our celebrations with our family and friends. The IAEC youths of Punggol Shaw are working together on an eco project for Deepavali. They'll be creating a Rangoli art piece using used bottle caps as well as bottles. Do show your support by dropping off the bottles and caps over at our CC. You can also volunteer your time to help create the Rangoli art piece. I wish all of you a happy Deepavali. Inia Deepavali Valtugal.
மிக்க நன்றி திருமதியும். இப்போ புங்கோல் 21cc IAEC டான்ஸ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் குரூப் படைக்கும் 2 நடனங்களை பார்க்க போறோம். 2 நடனங்களையும் திரு செல்வி கோரியோகிராஃப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. முதல் நடனத்தின் பாடல் ஐகிரி நந்தினி, இரண்டாவது நடனத்தின் பாடல் நட்டேஷா கௌதமம்.
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेदिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवर विन्ध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
கிட்டதாம் தகிட்டதாம் தகிட்டதாம் திட்டக் கிட்டதாம் கிட்டதாம் தகிட்டதிம் திட்டக் கிட்டதகிட்டதிம் திட்டக் கிட்டதகிட்டதிம் திட்டக் கிட்டதகிட்டதிம் திட்டக் கிட்டதகிட்டதிம் திட்டக் கிட்டதகிட்டதிம் திட்டக் கிட்டதகிட்டதிம்
दे दे तै दम दे दे तै 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 दे दे तै दम दे दे तै
तक तरिगुडु तिरिगुडु तक मेत रित मेत गिन्न तक तक दीम त दीम दीम ताम
दीम दीम तक दिमि दिमि त दिमि त तक तरिगुडु तिरिगुडु तक मित रित गिड गिन्न तक दीम त दीम दीम ताम
तडवण मुनि जन सकल सुरासुर सन्नुद पादा किंगिनी जम जम जन 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 नूपुर लयकत गण 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 विधि हरि सेवित तक्कुडु दिक्कुडु तक तदिंगिन तक ताम तत्ताम
तडवण मुनि जन सकल सुरासुर सन्नुद पादा किंगिनी जम जम जन 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 नूपुर लयकत गण 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 विधि हरि सेवित दक्किडु दिक्कुडु तक तरिगिड तक दाम
तक्किड किड तक तरिकिड किड तक ताण्डविदंपर दिक्किड किड तक तिरिकिड किड तक व्याघ्र शर्मदर तोम किट किट तक तोण किट किट तक तिरिशूलकर नम किट किट तक नन किट किट तक नंदी वागना तक्किड किड तक तरिकिड किड तक
ताण्डविदंबर
दिक्किड किड तक तिरिकिड किड तक
व्याघ्र शंकर
तोम किट किट तक तोण किट किट तक
त्रिशूलधर
नम किट किट तक नन किट किट तक
नंदी वागन नाद योग प्रिय जगनं किडदग किडदग दक्कति जय 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 शशिर विभूषण रूप भयंकर डमरुगश प्रीतिय शास्त्र दीक्षित नाद नाडेश गौतुम नाद योग प्रिय जगनं किडदग किडदग दक्कति जय 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 शशिरविभूषण रूपभयङ्कर डमरुगश प्रीतियशास वीक्षितनाद गणेश गौतुमं
तक तक ताम तिक तिक ते तकु तीकु तकीट तुम किट किट तकी डंग डंगी किट तक
तीततां ततदां ततदां
Thank you, performers. That was really good and awesome set of performances that we just watched. Now, before we go on to the next segment, I would like to read out the names of all these winners. Let's give them some positive vibes as well, please. So, Nanbanda has revealed himself, and he is known as Sean Isaac. And then we have in second, the first place is Hari, right? I must talk about Hari first. In first place, that's Hari, followed by Arasi, and followed by Nanbanda, who is Sean Isaac, and then followed by Supia, and in fifth place is Geetha Rath. I'm going to spell out the name, is Geetharth, okay, in case I'm not pronouncing it well. Thank you so much for your active participation earlier, but because the first time we are trying Kahoot online, there could have been some time lapse, so the 20 seconds may have felt a little shorter for some of you at the receiving end. From what we are hearing, it could vary from a system to system, so apologies if that's how it has seen on your end, okay? So thank you very much, but please continue your positivity. I think that's all that's left for all of us to come together to celebrate. That's the whole idea of coming together to celebrate, right? To share some love and some kindness and some appreciation all the time, please, all right, everybody? Let's do that all the time. Okay, so moving on, we have another song item, and this person is somebody who's familiar to you. You just met him as well. Any guesses? Any guesses, Sriram? It's a young chap. He's a very young person, a multi-talented person that you're going to get to know that this person is quite talented. And here he is on my left as an MC.
Oh,
yes. None other than our dear Sri Ram. So he is going to come here with another performance. And that song is called Madai Tirande. All right, take it away, Sri Ram.
Thank you.
That was really fabulous. Thank you, children, for that wonderful
La 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 la
you got me moving. That was simply amazing. I hope a lot of people are giving you all the love and appreciation for your effort and talent. Come on, give him a lot more hearts. Encourage this young talent. How old are you, Sriram?
எனக்கு 13 வயசு ஆயிடுச்சு.
At 13. How long have you been doing MC?
இதுதான் முதல் முறையாக பண்றேன்.
Really? I don't believe it. He says this is the first time he's doing MC. Do you believe it? I don't think so. He sounds so professional, so crystal clear. I'm so amazed by the language. The Tamil is so beautiful to hear as you speak. Right? Yes. Thank you very much, Sriram. And I love the way you sang as well. I don't think I danced this much in a break. Okay? All right. Great. So, following this vibrant performance, we have another fast number. Following this fast number, we have another performance by our singer, Lakshmi, from Pongal Coast IAC with Nenjinile.
പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കൊഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ തങ്കുന്നക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കൊഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ തങ്കുന്നക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ
நெஞ்சினிலே நெஞ்சினிலே ஊஞ்சலே நாணங்கள் என் கண்ணிலே ஸ்ரீவந்ததே என் மஞ்சளே கல்யாண கல்யாண கனவு என் உள்ளே நெஞ்சினிலே நெஞ்சினிலே ஊஞ்சலே நாணங்கள் என் கண்ணிலே ஸ்ரீவந்ததே என் மஞ்சளே கல்யாண கல்யாண கனவு என் உள்ளே நெஞ்சிலே
That was really beautiful singing, Lakshmi. And I must add on this, because this is the thing that excites me very much, which is to see all these positive comments that's coming in. What else do a performer need? You know, if we are in person, I think the claps would have energized all of us. But because we are not in person and we can't hear your claps, all your likes, all your positive messages matters a lot to us. So from one human to another human, thank you very much for all this appreciation. Okay, so let's go on, Sriram.
அடுத்ததாக GIIS பள்ளியை சேர்ந்த மாணவர்களின் நடனம். திருமதி எஸ் சந்தனா இந்த நடனத்தை அமைச்சாங்க. மேலும் இந்த நடனம் நமது முன்னிலை வீரர்களுக்கு சமர்ப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது.
The students of Global Indian International School have put together a very meaningful performance, and they are dedicating this dance performance to all our frontline heroes. So here it is, the dance in dedication of our unsung heroes. Thank you.
क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है, क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है। जय जयकारा जय जयकारा स्वामी देना साथ हमारा। जय जयकारा जय जयकारा स्वामी देना साथ हमारा।
Thank you, dear children. This performance definitely was so close to my heart. I really enjoyed this. I am sure you did enjoy this very much as well, didn't you?
நிச்சயமா ரொம்ப அழகா ஆடி இருந்தாங்க.
Yes, very meaningful performance. And let us now hear the message from Mr. Desmond Tan.
Vanakkam. I am very happy to join you in this year's Deepavali celebration. Thank you for having me. Although the celebration this year is slightly different, what is most important is that this festival of light continue to shine onto our family, our friends, and our community. I'd like to wish one and all, and especially our Indian community, a very happy and special Deepavali. Nandri.
மிக்க நன்றி திரு டெஸ்மண்ட் டான். நமக்காக திரு குணா மற்றும் திருமதி மீனா செங்கரம்பு பாட வராங்க. கேட்டு ரசிப்போம்.
யார் இந்த மிஸ்டர் குணா?
ஓ ஓ ஆமா, இவர் ஒரு வசந்தம் கலைஞர்.
அப்ப நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச முகம்.
ஆமா,
கேப்போம்.
செங்கரும்பு தங்க கட்டி, செங்கரும்பு தங்க கட்டி, ஏரே குயிலே அன்னமே, ஏரேல குயிலே குயிலே அன்னமே.
செங்கரும்பு தங்க கட்டி, செங்கரும்பு தங்க கட்டி, ஏலேல குயிலே
அன்னமே,
ஏலேல குயிலே குயிலே
அன்னமே.
வானத்தில் பறந்தாலும் கூடு கட்டி வச்சாலும் குயிலுக்கு ஒரு சோடி வேணும்.
ஆஹா,
வானத்தில் பறந்தாலும் கூடு கட்டி வச்சாலும் குயிலுக்கு ஒரு சோடி வேணும். அது குளிருக்கு சுகமாக வேணும்.
ஆஹா.
அட மச்சானே, ஆசை மச்சானே, மச்சானே, ஆசை மச்சானே.
செங்கரும்பு தங்க கட்டி, செங்கரும்பு தங்க கட்டி, ஏலே குயிலே அன்னமே, ஏலேல குயிலே குயிலே அன்னமே. தாமரப்பூ முட்டு தாவணி போட்டாலும் காத்துக்கு தடையது உள்ள. தாமரப்பூ முட்டு தாவணி போட்டாலும் காத்துக்கு தடையது உள்ள. ஒன்ன தழுவது சுகமாக உள்ள. அடி கண்ணாட்டி எந்தன் கொண்டாட்டி, கண்ணாட்டி எந்தன் கொண்டாட்டி.
செங்கரும்பு தங்க கட்டி,
ஆஹா.
செங்கரும்பு தங்க கட்டி, ஏலேல குயிலே
அன்னமே,
ஏலேல குயிலே குயிலே
அன்னமே.
கார்த்திகை நீரோட்டம் கண்ணுக்கிட்ட வெள்ளோட்டம் இளவட்ட விளையாட்ட விடுங்க. உங்க சரசத்தை எத்தோட முடிங்க.
ஆத்திரம் தீராம சாத்திரம் முடியாது, அடிபுள்ள சரிதாண்டி வாடி. இப்போ அதிகமா துடிக்குது நாடி.
அட மச்சானே, ஆசை மச்சானே,
அடி கண்ணாட்டி எந்தன் கொண்டாட்டி,
செங்கரும்பு
தங்க கட்டி,
செங்கரும்பு
தங்க கட்டி,
ஏலேல குயிலே
அன்னமே,
ஏலேல குயிலே
குயிலே அன்னமே,
ஏலேல குயிலே
குயிலே அன்னமே,
ஏலேல குயிலே
குயிலே அன்னமே.
அப்பப்பப்பப்பா, எவ்வளோ அழகா பாடியிருந்தாரு நமது வசந்தம் கலைஞர் திரு குணா. அப்பா, ரொம்ப அழகா பாடியிருந்தார்ல.
ரொம்ப அருமையா இருந்துச்சு பாட்டு. அண்ணா ஸ்ரீராம் ஸ்ரீராம்
சொல்லுங்க.
பாட்டோட தலைப்பு என்ன?
செங்கரும்பு சொன்னாங்க. செங்கரும்பு.
செங்கரும்புனா என்னது?
செங்கரும்புனா
what is செங்கரும்பு?
அது நான்
we have different audience, you know. All don't understand Tamil, I'm sure. What is செங்கரும்பு?
செங்கரும்பு அது வந்து கூகுள்ல நம்ம பார்த்து.
Okay, I shall not put you on the spot. We shall ask Dr. Google, Mr. Google, Teacher Google what sengarumbu is later on, okay? All right, let's move on. Next up, we have the youth from Tampines Meridian JC with a dance performance titled Strength in Unity. Now, this is a high energy hip hop performance showcasing vibrancy of the youth. Through there are two groups, okay? So though there are two groups of dancers, their passion for dance unites them and allows them for wonderful synergy. Now, this is a true embodiment of what strength in unity is all about, isn't it? All right, so take it away, TMJC.
All my ladies, all my ladies, all my ladies. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. You see me, I do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. On the gas list, no need to queue. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you. Well, some say I'm bossy, cause I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what it costs. Stack like casino, I'm Monte Rustino. If you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. With the tech, 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 with the tech.
Look, turn me up, break the knob, right? I get dressed like it's prom night. I feed them lemons in the limelight. They say I'm full, lost my appetite. Hell no. Keep on pushing like a dealer. Hell no. Keep on shooting Reggie Miller. You gotta set the score right, call it Hans Zimmer. Yeah, we in here. Are you rolling with the tech?
All right, that was a super power pack performance. Thank you, TMJC. Now, in between, while there are performances, Sriram and myself do get a little while to go and quickly look through what's happening in our live Facebook streaming at this moment. And I came across this particular person who's been watching us, and he says he's from Tamil Nadu. All right, so we are quite happy that we have reached out beyond Singapore as well. And thank you very much. I think his name is M. Muthu from what I'm seeing here. And we really appreciate, I think there were many more appreciations above this, but this is the one that got into our attention in that short time that we could pick up. And I think he's trying to thank everybody who put this piece of work together. So well done, performers, the technicians behind this, the organizers, and everybody. Give yourself a good pat on your shoulder. So moving on, next we have greetings from Dr. Janil. So let's hear Dr. Janil.
Happy Deepavali, everybody. I hope you're spending this time with your family and loved ones. Take care.
Thank you, sir. So we have been hearing a few Tamil songs, right? Fusion performances, right? Right. And so what's coming up next is going to be a little different. என்னவா இருக்கும்? Hindi பாட்டு? Bingo! You got it right. Yes. So it is a vibrant Hindi dance performance by Sneha Yadav from Pongal Coast IAEC.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए। सांसें मेरी है उनके हाथों में, याद पिया की, मेरे पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में। ओ याद पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में।
आंख सुर में से भर के तैयार की, खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती। आंख सुर में से भर के तैयार की, खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती। खुद ज्यादा तू उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया, ज्यादा तू उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया। तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा, मुंडियां नू सूली उत्ते टंगी रख दे। मेरा नखरा है तिखी तलवार वर्गा, मुंडियां नू सूली उत्ते टंगी रख दे। मेरा नखरा है तिखी तलवार वर्गा।
बिल्लोड़ी तेरा लाल ककरा, बिल्लोड़ी तेरा लाल ककरा, बिल्लोड़ी तेरा लाल ककरा।
हाय गोरे गोरे मुखड़े ते काला 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 सुरमा, तक तक रावा मैनू करना गुरूर ना।
नच के नचावे, दिल नू जलावे, जो हिले तेरा लक कोई पाए बचना।
Let's get crazy. तैनू तड़पावे, हाय लुट जावे। तैनू तड़पावे, हाय लुट जावे मेरा लाल कगरा। तैनू तड़पावे, हाय लुट जावे मेरा लाल कगरा। रातां नू नींद न आवे, हाय नी मेरा लाल 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 लाल। हाय नी मेरा लाल कगरा, हाय नी मेरा लाल कगरा।
பாடல்களை கேட்க தயாரா இருக்கீங்களா? முதல்ல செந்தூரா பாட வராங்க திருமதி லக்ஷ்மி. பின் ஏ மேரா தில் பாட வராங்க திருமதி சைலஜா.
நிதானமாக யோசித்தாலும் நில்லாமல் ஓடி யோசித்தாலும் நீதான் மனம் தேடும் மான்பாளன், பூவாயினை ஏந்தும் பூபாளன், என் மடியின் மனவாளன் என தோன்றுதே. செந்தூரா ஆஹா சேர்ந்தே செல்வோம் செந்தூரா, விரல்களை பிணைத்தவாறு பேச வேண்டும். காலை எழும்போது நீ வேண்டும், தூக்கம் வரும்போது தோள் வேண்டும். நீ பிரியாவரம் தந்தால் அதுவே போதும். செந்தூரா ஆஹா சேர்ந்தே செல்வோம் செந்தூரா, செங்காந்தள் பூவுன் தேரா, ஒன்றாய் காற்று எய்தாயா செந்தூரா. மழையின் இரவில் ஒரு குடையினில் நடப்போமா, மரத்தின் அடியில் மணிக்கணக்கினில் கதைப்போமா, பாடல் கேட்போமா, பாடி பார்ப்போமா, மூழ்கத்தான் செந்தூரா ஆஹா சேர்ந்தே செல்வோம் செந்தூரா, ஆஹா செங்காந்தள் பூவும் தேரா, ஆஹா மாறன் நம்பு ஐந்தும் வைத்து ஒன்றாய் காற்று எய்தாய் செந்தூரா. போகும்போது மேலிந்து நான் இழைத்து போவதாக சொல், வீட்டில் நலவாகும் செய்வாயா, பொய்யாய் சில நேரம் வைவாயா, நான் தொலைந்தால் உன்னை சேரும் வழி சொல்வாயா. செந்தூரா ஆஹா சேர்ந்தே செல்வோம் செந்தூரா, பூவும் தேரா, ஆஹா மாறன் நம்பு ஐந்தும் வைத்து ஒன்றாய் காற்று எய்தாயா எய்தாயா, ஆஹா கண்கள் சொக்க செய்தாயா, கையில் சாய சொல்வாயா, ஆஹா ஏதோ ஆச்சு வெட்கம் போச்சு, வெட்கங்கள் போய் போச்சு.
La 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 la, ree ra 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 ra.
दीवाना दीवाना प्यार का परवाना आता है मुझको प्यार में जल जाना मुश्किल है प्यारे तेरा बच के जाना ये मेरा दिल यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना दिल वो चाहे जिसे उसे पाए यार वो यार के जो नाम पे ही मिट जाए दिल वो चाहे जिसे उसे पाए यार वो यार के जो नाम पे ही मिट जाए जान के बदले में जान लो नजराना ये मेरा दिल यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना पल पल एक हलचल दिल में एक तूफा है आने को है वो मंजिल जिसका मुझे अरमा है पल पल एक हलचल दिल में एक तूफा है आने को है वो मंजिल जिसका मुझे अरमा है भूलना ना तुझे दिल को ये टकराना ये मेरा दिल यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना आता है मुझको प्यार में जल जाना मुश्किल है प्यारे तेरा बच के जाना ये मेरा दिल यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना
Or the next performance, which is a dance representing Singapore's multi-ethnicity. And this is brought to us by the Women Executive Committee members, MAEC, and a resident of Punggol 21 CCIAEC. All right, are we eager to watch this, ladies?
Nichema.
Okay, so let's hear them right now. Oh, sorry, let's watch them right now. thank you, ladies, for the very unique form of performance. We truly appreciated that. So I hope you are enjoying the show as much as we have been, because a lot of effort from the performers have been put up here for our view. All right. So the co-organizers of this event, the GRC IAEC chairpersons, have put together a greeting for us as well. So let's hear them right now.
வணக்கம். பாசிரிஸ் பொங்கல் நண்பர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் ஏற்பாட்டுக்குழுவின் சார்பில் எங்களது இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். கோவிட்-19 கிருமி தொற்றின் பாதிப்பிலிருந்து நாம் மெதுவாக மீண்டு வருகின்றோம். அதற்கு முக்கிய காரணமாக இருந்தவர்கள் முன்னோடி ஊழியர்கள், அவர்களுக்கு எங்களது நன்றி. Dear residents of Pasaris Pongal GRC, happy Diwali to all of you, and to residents of Pongal Shaw, a very happy Diwali to all of you. We hope that you will be enjoying the show that we're putting up for you today. Thank you.
Vanakkam. Wishing all residents a happy Deepavali.
வணக்கம். பாசிரிஸ் இஸ் ரெசிடென்ட்க்கு இனிய தீபாவளி வாழ்த்துக்கள். Happy Diwali to all Pasaris residents.
Vanakkam. Happy Deepavali to all Pasaris West residents.
அடுத்து ஒரு துள்ளலான பாட்டு பாட வராங்க திரு ஜே மற்றும் திருமதி மீனா.
சம்பா சம்பா அடி ரம்பா ரம்பா இது சோம்பேறி பூஞ்சிரிப்பா. சும்மா சும்மா போய் சொல்லாதம்மா உன் சிங்காரம் ஏங்குதம்மா. ஆசையாக பேசினால் போதாதம்மோய், தாகத்தோடு மோகம் என்று போகாதம்மா. ஏத்துக்கடி என்ன சேத்துக்கடி, வாலிபம் வாடுது வெப்பமோ ஏறுது. கண்மணி பொன்மணி கொஞ்சினி கெஞ்சினி. என் செந்தாமரை கை சேரும் வரை நான் நின்றேனே தூக்கம் கெட்டு. என் எண்ணங்களை நான் சொல்லாமலே நீ இந்நேரம் கண்டுபிடி.
தாக்குது தாக்குது உத காத்து தள்ளி தள்ளி நிக்கிற ஆள பார்த்து
காலம் வரும் நல்ல நேரம் வரும் அள்ளி நீ சேர்த்துக்கோ ஆசையை தீர்த்துக்கோ மாறுகோ மாறுகோ மாறுகை ஜோருகோ ஜோருகோ ஜோருகை மாறுகோ மாறுகோ மாறுகை ஜோருகோ ஜோருகோ ஜோருகை
கண்மணி பொன்மணி கொஞ்சினி கெஞ்சினி
மௌலியில் ஆடனி மந்திரம் பாடனி மாறுகோ மாறுகோ மாறுகை ஜோருகோ ஜோருகோ ஜோருகை மாறுகோ மாறுகோ மாறுகை ஜோருகோ ஜோருகோ ஜோருகை.
Thank you for the last vibrant number, dear performers. It was super. It was so awesome. Now, before we move on to the last awaited segment, I want to make some quick announcement. And this is about the Children Art Competition and the Best Dress Competition. Now, so kindly refer to the Punggol 21cc IAEC Facebook for the winners list. So for those who took part in the Children Art Competition and the Best Dress Competition, kindly refer to the Punggol 21cc IAEC Facebook for the winners list. Okay, so the most awaited segment is here, and then it's going to be a wrap. So stay on, hang in there. Thank you for staying up to now with us. Okay, that segment is none other than Lucky Draw, and my lucky boy is already here with a huge heavy pot, and I want to show you what's in here. So look. The names and details of all those who registered is in here. Okay, so when I pick this up, what you are going to look out for is your name. I'm going to read it as you have registered it, the division you're from, and the last 4 digits of your handphone number. Okay, and I will do that twice. We do have people here in the room who are taking down this information as well. So after this, you may go to the CC to claim your prizes. And I guess CCs will also look out for you. And so not worry, your particulars are with us, okay? So we are going to use this young chap's lucky fingers to do the draw. Alright, so are you all ready? Drum rolls, please. Okay, so there's going to be 10. And we are going to do our first draw right now. Okay, ready? 3 rounds. And I have it here. And the first name I'm going to call out is, this person is from Pasir Ris Elias. That's the division you're from. And your last 4 digit of your handphone number is 4779. Difficult to guess who you are? Yeah, I'm sure. And the name is Harshini. So Harshini, you are from Pasir Ris Elias. And if your handphone number, the last 4 digit is 4779, you are our first lucky winner for tonight. All right, I hope you are still sitting there, waited, and for this good news, okay? Now, the second name. In no particular order, right? So all 10. Second name. Good luck. Is it you? I don't think I can hear all of you. Show us some likes. Your likes might bring you good luck. Show us some love. Send the heart, okay? Neeraja. Neeraja. Did you put your like? Maybe you did, and that's why you're lucky. And you're from Pasir Ris Central Division. And the last 4 digit of your handphone number is 0903. Okay, I'm saying it again. Neeraja. I hope I'm pronouncing your name rightly. If I'm not, then sorry, please. Excuse me. It's Neeraja. Pasir Ris Central. Last 4 digit 0903. Congratulations. And the third name is coming up after he secures his name. Okay. And the third lucky name is Velu. Velu. Velu from Pasir Ris Central as well. And the last 4 digit from your handphone number is 1001. Velu, Pasir Ris Central, 1001. Okay, congratulations. We are into our 4th draw right now. Stir it out. Okay, and then we pull out a name. And we've got someone else now, and his name is Chandra. Chandra from Pasir Ris Elias. And the last 4 digit is 1374. 1374. Chandra, Pasir Ris Elias. Congratulations to you. I hope you gave us some love. Right now, we are moving on to our 5th draw. Who is this lucky winner? Is it you? Is it you? Is it you? What is your name? Are you calling out your name? Meenakshi. Meenakshi from Pasir Ris Elias. And the last 4 digits of your handphone number is 2056. All right. Meenakshi 2056. Pasir Ris Elias. Congratulations, Meenakshi. And we are moving on to our 6th draw, okay? All right, we're coming to an end. We're coming to a wrap. Who is this now? All right, who is this lucky person? This lucky person is M. Manikandan, Pasir Ris Central. And the last 4 digit is 6231. All right, 6231. Manikandan, Pasir Ris Central. All right, do we want to give it a more of a stir for our 7th draw? Yes, yes, I can hear many more papers up here. I'm stirring and I'm stirring and I'm stirring. Okay, shoot up. We have here Sahaya Emmanuel Prabhu Martin. Last 4 digit 6320. Pasir Ris Elias. Sahaya Emmanuel Prabhu Martin 6320. Pasir Ris Elias. Got it? Congratulations. The 8th draw. The 8th draw. 3 more to go. Who is this next lucky person? Okay, so this person is Prabha Elizabeth, Pasir Ris Link. I think this is where you stay, Pasir Ris Link. Right, and the last 4 digit is 6919. Right, Prabha Elizabeth, your handphone number, the last 4 digit is 6919. Okay, congratulations. This is the 9th draw. 9th draw. 9th draw already. Okay. What are we getting here? Who do we have? Okay, he has got sound effect. I don't know whether you can actually hear the sound effect. BK Ratnachari. RATNACHARI. The last 4 digits of your handphone number is 7362. 7362. Pasir Ris Elias. BK Ratnachari. And the final draw for today, the 10th and the final one. Who is this lucky person? Is it going to be one of you who is still here waiting for this? Okay, okay, wow. All right, magician. You got some, you got some magic going. Soumya Sri Mishra, you are the 10th lucky winner. If it is you with this last 4 digit number in your handphone, 0439, and you are from Punggol Coast, and you're from Punggol Coast, okay? So Soumya Sri Mishra with the last 4 digits 0439, and if you're from Punggol Coast, you wrap it up, you are the winner. Alright, congratulations to all the 10 winners. Thank you, Sriram. I know that pot must have been really heavy. Right, we have come to the end of the event, And we really would like to thank you for spending your Saturday evening with us, being very patient, showing all your love and appreciation through all those wonderful encouraging words, hearts and likes. Thank you very much. We will keep doing our best to bring what's good for our residents. Sriram.
இது பாசிரஸ் பொங்கல் ஜிஆர்சி உடைய பரவசமான தீபாவளி கொண்டாட்டம். இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். என் பெயர் ஸ்ரீராம்.
நான் சாந்தி.
நாங்கள் உங்களிடமிருந்து விடை பெற்றுக் கொள்கிறோம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.